Hey everyone, welcome to this review. Today we're going to be looking at an AI anti-snore pillow by Nitetronic. This product is a must-have because it is a very easy fix for your snoring problems, and it provides the exact snoring solution for comfort. Not only that, it gives you a better quality night's sleep as well as improved energy levels. So let's go ahead and open up this product and see what it looks like. It comes with this instruction manual as well as your outlet and your charger. And lastly, we have our pillow, so I'm going to show it to you right now. So this is the top of the pillow. It already comes in the case. It is made out of this very soft cooling gel memory foam material. And inside it looks like we have a padding right here. And this is the base where it provides your all your ports and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out, okay? Alright, so let's quickly charge it and set it up with the Wi-Fi as well as connect it to the app before we test it out. You do have to keep it plugged in while you're sleeping so that it can adjust your sleeping positions and track your sleep levels and make sure you're not snoring. So how it works is, let me plug this in first and let me tell you about how it works. It basically reduces snoring and breathing irregularities during sleep by detecting any snoring sounds or events such as apnea and hypoventilation, and it adjusts the head's position to open the airway up, thereby reducing or stopping the snoring. And you can also see detailed sleep data with the app, including snoring episodes, breathing irregularities, and intervention records, so that you can keep up track with what's going on and see if it's helping you improve your snoring. So I have turned it in, plugged it into the power outlet, and this is our indicator light, our Wi-Fi setup button, and our power switch. So right now it is charging. So now let's go ahead and set it up with the app. So I have downloaded the app. You have to open the Anti-Snore Lab app using the QR code that they provided on the instruction manual, and you have to press the network button until this is in pairing mode and the blue Z sign starts blinking, and connect to your 2.4G Wi-Fi network and follow the instructions on your screen. So I have done everything and set it up. And this is the app interface. So let's try use now. And you can use this to test it. AI intervention is stopped, so I can adjust comfort settings right here. Let me check some of these out. Adjust action intensity, moderate. Let's just keep it at that. Adjust action speed, moderate. Okay, so the pillow will move this way and that way just to adjust your head to prevent you from snoring, but you can slow down the speed to prevent you from waking up if that's bothering you. So let's do slower actually, and higher intensity. For this one is higher intensity is better comfort optimization. So let's do strong for this one actually. So it's the most intense intervention. And then all we have to do is lay down on the pillow and start tracking. All right, so I've given this pillow to my mom. She is a very chronic snorer and she snores very loud, but right now she's testing it. She's actually sleeping. So we're gonna go ahead and let her take a nap and see her data. So let's test out demo mode for this product. So this is our product right here, and as you can see, this is what the pillow looks like. It's pretty squishy in certain parts everywhere, but this part is where it's inflated. It's very hard. So this is where our airbag is. So I was testing it out using the self-test mode. So it detects where your head rests and see it's switching the spots. I'm kind of laying my iPad down so you can start pillow action. See how it's like deflating a little bit? I can notice it but it deflated, and it's gonna slowly inflate the third bit. My iPad is slowly rising and it's tilting like that, and if I do that again, it says to let it keep inflating. So right now this part is where it's hard, and it's still inflating. So this is how it moves your head around and detects your snoring. Like it moves your head around by inflating and deflating these airbags so you're not snoring. Okay, so I'm gonna start the pillow test for my mom right here. She's gonna demonstrate, and the airbag's gonna slowly inflate. Right now everything's soft. Okay, so I can feel like that this area is still soft because the airbags haven't inflated here, but over here right across the head, this is very hard. I can't press it that much. It's like very it looks like the airbag is inflating. It's not completely inflated, but that area is higher than the other areas. Alright, hey everyone. So I do have some snoring reports that I wanted to show you guys and the intervention taken. So let's look at our snoring reports. This is the list for all the sleep activity that was detected. Let's look at this one, the latest one, and let's look at the numbers. It says there were 257 snoring activities detected, and total of 52 minutes of snoring detected. Okay, it also records like the decibel of the sounds. So let's hear a snippet from here. So let's look at something that's greater. I think 15 is the loudest, so. So this is the snoring that was recorded. And you can see a distribution chart right here. So it also records how many times per minute that you snore throughout the night. And when you snore. So next, let's look at the intervention. So it says completed the 2 use of the Nitetronic sleep pillow. Keep using it to make your sleep more comfortable. I do not see any data on exactly when it was used during this period, but I wish I could see that data. But it does say it used it twice. So if we do track it throughout our sleeping cycles every day and use the pillow, it might show us like an improvement in our snoring. Alright, so this is what the snoring report looks like, and then that is it for the AI sleep pillow from Nitetronic. We hope you guys like this product, so please go ahead and check it out on Kickstarter. I do think this is a very good sleep intervention for snoring because it's not using any medical intervention techniques, and it is just adjusting your head. So if you'd like to give this a try, please go ahead and check out our description box below.